the issue of who constructed the podium. Forget the issue of
the
security and stuff. That was art, and that happened, and life went on.
Yeah,
I haven't had him.
But I mean, I don't know. Should we call him Masaibu Ababa, because a lot of things have been happening to him. Remember the other day he was whipped.
Oh yeah, there's a time there was some guy who apparently was mentally caned him. Then there was also a time, and I think we have that clip. If we have it, we can roll it. Where there was a cow. There was a cow that refused. The cow refused to obey. Yeah, or it wanted to get close to Baba. You know, he's a man of the people.
So it's the man of the people, not a man of the cow. Many people say it's a Jubilee cow because it really protested.
Yeah, and this is a clip we're talking about where and he was rather but he at least he's very agile and he can run.
Guys,
yeah, there you go. There's a cow. It's call it J. Call it J. Let's call it J. J for Jubilee, not for Jubilee. Just call it J. Right. There you go.
So yeah, he's told Baba chukua ng'ombe.
Then he's given. There you go.
Okay.
Na nimeshinda kwamba ng'ombe.
Then the cow first said, "Call him Nantau."
I think we're trying to do ourselves.
Said no.
Where is the cow going?
Now wait. I didn't know the Baba is very fast. Look, he took off. He's very fast. I can. Baba is fit.
No, he's
Baba is very fit.
Guys, let's just say wherever
and look at the cow still.
No, that cow had issues.
The cow refused. Let's just
where's KWS? So get cow down.
That's domestic.
Oh my
You
God!
guys
What
need
a
to
breakfast!
give Raila a break.
No, you know the good thing about this is that he is a leader, and it's just seeing that they're human, and you know there's a funny side of it. And one of the things that you can do in life is either you can get depressed about it, or you can just laugh about it. And I think Raila, as a leader, he's one who's able to. He's very versatile. He'll not get stuck up on that. He'll actually even probably have a kitendawili.
But I'm sure
I think that's one of his most beautiful personalities.
Oh,
he
yes.
never takes things too seriously.
Yeah.
But do you think when they get home in the evening they laugh about it? They're like, hey.
Of course. I bet the wife tells him, yo, babe, it's not the cow has chased you, etc.
The cow and the podium.
You fell.
Then I'm like, well, it goes.
Why should I be
Let's say so we'll have a job in another show. But again, the truth is we all love this guy for being versatile, and that's what you just brought out again. And wherever he goes, he makes news. He has a way of making news, whether it's the cow not liking him or not being sober, or a day cow, whatever it is, whether it's a podium falling, he makes news wherever he goes. And again, like we said, he doesn't take it too serious. Not in the public.
Okay, let's now change focus and look at the dailies, and we want to focus on the pulse. And of course, this is where Stephen Mwendo, you take over and let us know why we need to get the standard today so that we have a copy of the pulse.
I think people already have the standard. It's what time of the day?
Yeah, it's already now.
Because the standard really clears early on Friday. So you better have your copy and just be having your pulse right now. I said we have a little surprise, and I think this is an exclusive that the pulse has today. And it's not a fool's day, right? That's why I brought the card, to make sure that people don't take this as a joke, you know. And it's about our brother, Daddy Owen, and his fiancée, Farida Wambui, wedding tomorrow.
Congratulations to them.
Right.
Yeah.
That's a big one. That's a big one.
We have the card here. I don't know if the cameras would see all this.
Is this like an official invite for all of us who are watching?
No, Mike. There are levels again. The lanes. But this is an official invite, and there are very few in town, and that's why I just said let's bring this card in town. There's no way you'll copy this. There's no way you'll duplicate this. There's no way there's no way.
Hold it so that we can see it at home. I'm not sure if you have the details.
I'm not sure you can make this down River Road. I know they make everything there.
We just need to take it to Chinese. You know, the Chinese folks get those people know how to copy everything.
The cards came out yesterday and the day before yesterday. So by the time you get
Hold it right
all
there.
there and back, I don't think you'll get it. But guys, that is Daddy Owen's wedding with Farida tomorrow. A
And I'm
big
sure guys are
show.
trying to see the details
They
of
want
where
to
the
A big
wedding
show.
will be.
I know you want to get the details. We let you see the details for now. But again, it's an invite-only wedding, and very few guys are invited. Actually,
And it has a
for
very
the
nice
party,
cover.
Later
It's-
in the
it's a
day,
good-
you
it's
know.
gold-
It is
gold-
nice.
gold
In fact,
cover.
yeah, that side and the back as well is gold.
All right. Everything
so-
gold and all that. And we know Daddy Owen, and we know the relationship that has been for
Kakungala.
since 2013. That's when
2013, yeah.
Pulse captured these two guys together and discovered they were dating. And it's a big story right now, and that's why I'm bringing the card out. If you go to page 8 and 9 of the Pulse magazine today, somebody's just looking at me like, it's about Daddy Owen and his beautiful baby. Managed to get their voices before about their love, about how they relate, about how they met, and that's a big story today.
Yeah, and Pulse seems to always be ahead, you know, to get this story just the day before the wedding.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully you'll also bring us the story of not the wedding day, but, you know, after the wedding.
The after wedding.
No, as the wedding
After wedding
goes
story.
on, as the wedding goes on,
all the
we're on the
details will be
ground
gone.
tomorrow
Oh, nice.
to bring you the story. But again, has been a lot of story about Daddy Owen, and that was when Rafton was wedding some
yeah.
times ago.
Oh, yeah.
And it was said that Daddy Owen and Farida were ready before Rafton and Crystal were
Yeah,
wedding.
yeah.
And there was a story,
tradition,
and you know the traditions that, bro, I'm ready to get married myself, and you're not ready. What do we do? And there was a lot of Luya talk on what was going on that time. I don't know if you know about it.
The older, you know, in the Luya, according to my people, yeah, you don't, the younger one does not wed
Before
the older
I think
one.
it's an
So
African
yeah.
tradition.
Yeah, it is.
It's an
Although it's
It's
not
more
that
serious in
followed.
Western.
Yes. It's not that followed today, but yeah, it is one of those things. And I wonder if he has gone through the process, because I happen to know some details. Before you get married, there's a time you go to visit the girl, and they give you a full chicken, by the way, a road runner, and you're supposed to eat that whole thing. And when I say full, I don't mean there are parts missing. Everything is incorporated.
But that's
But it's
Lulaland. That's
very nice.
it's going Kikuyu land.
Oh yes,
Right.
he's going to Kikuyu.
You get
land,
it,
you're
you get the
yeah.
point.
But it's
So
still
there's
at the end
just-
of the day, it's chicken. Who doesn't like chicken?
Yeah, we all
An
love
entire
cuckoo.
chicken.
But a whole road runner.
No, you asked me from an experience that I've had myself.
Oh yes.
Yes,
Ask me from
he
experience
finished.
that I have. These guys are from Luyaland, and by extension, I am one of them. All right, and I went through that myself.
So you had
Somewhere
to-
in Kitale.
Did you finish the whole
Yes,
chicken?
It's a true story that you sit there and everybody sits around you, and they have a meal.
Oh yeah,
but
they can't eat
you,
until
you are the
finish.
guest of the day.
Stephen is not answering your question.
Yes,
I'm coming
He's
there.
coming here, he's
Now,
coming here.
He's coming.
I know everybody's watching. You know, everybody's watching.
Including those who are there.
You know,
So you can't lie.
And you're given that chicken, and it's full chicken, not cut into pieces. It's just the whole damn thing there, and the big ugali, and you're served, and you have to do it. And bro, you have to do it for you to be
yes.
to cross the line.
Accepted.
Yes.
You know, this little body
He did it.
can consume a lot.
So now, to Zimzi's concern, did you finish the chicken?
I ate the chicken.
The whole chicken. He finished.
He finished it,
Yeah,
yes.
so don't let size deceive you.
But moving-
Don't judge a book by the cover.
Moving from there, yes, these guys have gone through the entire
Yeah.
traditional thing. Actually, most of it was done last year. And knowing these guys already declared that they are dating, even when the brother was wedding that time, you'd expect a lot of pressure from parents again, from friends, and from the media, as it has been. The whole of last year, everybody waited for these guys to wed, and the story blogs and everybody was saying, these guys are breaking up. ABCD because of, and they even had, they were appointed some ladies that we know that this guy is let it go for this ABCD, and I think it's a great end of a story that this is already happening.
Now, given that Daddy Owen is such a prolific singer, is he going to have like a special song, maybe a launch at his wedding, or?
When Powers asked the girl if she can sing any of his songs, or she knows the songs as he sings, she says, of course, I'm #1 fan. Of course, that's very romantic, if you ask me. That's a romantic Kenyan girl.
More romantic than the Cyprus guy.
You know.
That one is in a
No, that
special
was a
category.
special
Yeah.
category. This is Farida, you know, the
Different
beautiful one,
category, yeah.
who is also a fashionista. She's also in the showbiz industry. Thing is, we expect a lot tomorrow. We expect a lot of, how do I put it? this is something that we expect it to be so showbiz sort of thing.
Yeah, of
As much as it may not be an all-day affair, the brother is a fashion designer. He tailored his own clothes for his guys and himself. The girl is a designer herself. You'd expect a lot of her work be seen around the wedding, and you expect this guy is a musician. He's an MTV winner and all that. You expect a lot of their creative art showing in the wedding tomorrow. So yes, you should
And of
expect
course, a
that.
lot of celebrities coming to support him as well, I'm sure.
Yes.
For this one.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it will be quite star-studded.
Of
But
course.
over and above all that, our prayer, of course, is that they don't just concentrate on the wedding day, but the marriage.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
We wish them all the best.
All
It
the
will
best.
look really
All right,
nice.
Stevens, something else?
A little good story right there again on Pulse TV.
Yeah.
So it's for you guys to get to read the Pulse again on page.
Yes.
What page is it again? Am I losing it? Page 7.
Yes.
Auditions. Can I show this to guys?
Yeah, sure.
Auditions. Hot girls. Hanks wanted for Pulse TV.
Ooh.
You know.
It's very fair.
It's been, is it been long
And
coming?
it's
Is it
not an
long
April
coming?
Fool's prank you're pulling on
not-
us.
Has it been long coming? So guys, grab your paper and you have a number of hours
Yeah.
Wait,
to
Stephen,
fulfill this promise.
I'm confused. Pulse is going to have a TV coming soon.
You have seen the paper, right?
Yeah,
what
grab,
he's saying.
grab the, right there, right there in the
You want it?
It's in the paper.
It's in the paper.
You gotta get yourself a copy.
Pulse.
Yeah.
Auditions. So it's for you to get that, and I won't give nothing away.
Yeah.
But above that, Mike, again, we moved on, right?
Yeah.
I'm still stuck on that because you're looking for auditions.
Yes.
Are the details of the auditions on this?
They're here.
Everything, everything you
is in
need,
the
Mike,
My
is
first
there.
line, it says hot
Honest-
girls. So the first qualification that you need to do is hot. Is
Hot- hot girls.
girls.
Hot girls.
Where
If you
hotness
trust
does
that
not
you're
know.
hot, then it's
Don't you
Hanks. And Hanks.
hot girl, not anybody.
And Hanks. I wonder how they're going to categorize
They
that.
check.
Can I see the help audition the hangs team? I am offering myself. Let me
I thought you were going to say you're coming to audition for a hot
we-
girl,
no,
but
but
We also have an age limit, so let's,
No,
let's also consider that.
but auditioning the hangs.
Yes.
Auditioning the hangs though.
The hands.
We
You want
want to
to
audition the hangs, yeah?
she wants to be part of the panel
What do you mean
that's
hangs?
auditioning
Looking
the
at the
Hanks.
hangs.
All right. Mike,
Will you
again,
televise this? I'd really be interested.
I
Anyway,
know.
yeah, we can move on.
K-Teen is going to be there, of course. K-Teen is part of this family.
Yeah, of
So,
course.
yes. On page 16, and I just want to bring another debate that Meru people cannot sing. That has been the talk of town
For the longest
in the
time.
past. And there was a Meru festival,
Meru can't sing.
which was happening last weekend, the entire Easter, from Friday to Sunday. There was a Meru festival, and Meru artists
Can sing.
came out to sing. Do you still believe Meru people cannot sing?
How did it sound?
You know.
Were you there?
Yes, I was.
And give us the rundown. Did they actually sing? Because if MC Jess is anything to go by,
Yes,
they
then, yeah.
cannot sing to save their lives.
I mean, the only Mary artist
It's my
that
part,
we had
sit down.
was Kajero and
Even he
a guy called
couldn't
Kamanu.
sing.
And even Kajero could not sing
Yes.
anyway.
So these guys sang and they rapped
Yeah.
and danced.
Yeah.
I think
But the Meru,
rap-
the Meru festival went down very well and had a very, very great turnout.
Yes.
They had a turnout of about
You still have this beautiful
7,000.
other
But
sing.
the only reason for me is I think the people they used to, to tell you about the Merus, like, who's this handsome actor?
Nick Mutuma.
Yes, where now Nick Mutuma is shirtless somewhere, sorry, hi Nick. Then you actually want to be shirtless when you want to go for it. And then you had Piera,
Yeah.
you have DJ Piera right there.
These are
also.
very guys.
I think that's what I'm saying. So that lineup, was looking really nice, so you would go for it. But in terms of singing, you need to convince me. And I need to see a clip.
You know why Marys cannot sing? Is because of something called taxi. You know taxi?
You just still say they cannot sing and
Taxi.
sing.
the thing.
Is when you're chewing card,
Yes.
you taxi here. So
So how do you sing it?
on his shoulder.
But that's no, that's so stereotypical. That's funny old Mary's Chanua.
But you know what? You know when people say take pride in your weaknesses, it's beautiful weaknesses. Let me tell you, our fellow Meru community has just showed us that if these guys cannot sing, don't they say
They can do
what?
something
We still
else.
have a musical festival.
Yes.
Yeah.
The
And a
biggest
successful
thing,
one.
7,000 people.
Yes.
Turn out.
Wow.
But you see, Nameless came and performed.
Yeah.
So you see,
They had to
there's
import.
the importing.